Hey there, pioneers and crypto enthusiasts. Are we finally on the cusp of seeing Pi coin on major exchanges? That's the question everyone's asking as Pi Network's latest roadmap shines a spotlight on their big mainnet launch plans for 2024. Pi has captured millions of hearts and smartphones, but is this the year it finally breaks into the major crypto leagues? Stick around as we delve into the roadmap details, share what these changes mean for Pi's future, and explore the potential impact on all you pioneers out there. Welcome back to the Gold Rush Crypto Daily channel. I'm Gold Rush, your guide through the highs, lows, and breakthroughs in the world of crypto. On this channel, we take a close look at revolutionary crypto projects, and today, we're dissecting everything Pi Network. If you love deep dives, breaking news, and no-nonsense crypto analysis, hit that like button and subscribe. There's a lot to unpack, and you won't want to miss a moment. The stakes are high for Pi Network. With over 20 million active users, a unique approach to mobile mining, and a roadmap that's loaded with ambitious milestones, Pi Network is inching closer to the mainnet launch. But here's the million-dollar question. Will Pi coin finally get listed on major exchanges? Stay with me as we tackle the roadmap's phases, Pi's vision for decentralization, and the implications for your Pi coin holdings. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear view of what 2024 holds for Pi Network, and maybe even a new perspective on where Pi could fit in the crypto ecosystem. The Pi Network vision. A community-driven revolution. Since its 2019 launch by a team of Stanford grads, Pi Network has stood out in the crypto space with a clear mission: make crypto accessible to everyone. Unlike energy-draining proof-of-work (POW) models like Bitcoin, Pi relies on the Stellar Consensus Protocol, enabling mobile mining that's light on resources. Essentially, Pi is all about accessibility and sustainability, two concepts that have drawn in millions of pioneers globally. But beyond technical innovation, what's fascinating is Pi's community-centric approach. With no need for advanced mining rigs, everyday users can mine Pi coins on their phones simply by logging into the app. This low barrier has been crucial to Pi's rapid growth, and it's also a smart way to democratize the concept of crypto mining. Let's be real, mining Bitcoin or Ethereum is not within reach for the average person, but Pi Network changes that. And that's part of why there's so much buzz and so many questions around the potential for Pi's listing on exchanges. Updated Roadmap V2, paving the path to mainnet. In 2024, Pi Network released its updated roadmap, or V2, and it's packed with promises. The roadmap outlines Pi's transition from testnet to mainnet, dividing its journey into phases to ensure that each step builds a strong foundation. I have to admit, I appreciate the transparency here. Unlike many projects that leave users in the dark, Pi Network's roadmap lays out what needs to be done to make the mainnet launch a reality. Let's break down each of these roadmap phases and see what they mean for the future of Pi. Infrastructure development and testing. This phase zeroes in on scalability and performance, ensuring the network can handle a high volume of transactions. This is a critical step. Without it, Pi could face bottlenecks and security issues down the line. We're talking rigorous testing here to strengthen data security and resilience against potential threats. Frankly, it's refreshing to see this level of dedication to stability. It's one more reason why a future Pi coin listing could carry serious weight. Community engagement and DAO formation. Pi Network has always prioritized its community, and this phase underscores that commitment with a push toward decentralized autonomous organization, DAO, governance. This will allow pioneers to participate in decision-making processes, another layer of decentralization that really sets Pi apart. Pi's developers are inviting their community to have a say, which is a smart move in fostering trust and longevity. A DAO-driven structure is a powerful tool, and it's exciting to think of Pi as a genuinely user-driven crypto ecosystem. Onboarding and ecosystem growth. Here, Pi Network plans to support a range of decentralized applications, DApps, and this could be a game changer. With DApps that focus on real-world utility, like green finance, ethical consumption, and more, Pi is positioning itself as more than just another digital asset. These applications can add unique layers of functionality that other cryptos might lack, and that's part of what makes Pi's roadmap so captivating. Mainnet launch. The long-awaited Mainnet launch could arrive in 2024. Once live, Pi coin will transition from testnet to a fully operational blockchain. This is the phase that could finally pave the way for exchange listings. It's a thrilling prospect, but let's remember that launch isn't the end, it's the start of a new era for Pi coin. The open mainnet will be pivotal in determining if Pi can compete in the bigger leagues, and that's why so many of us are glued to every update. Exchange listings. Are we finally there? For pioneers who've been waiting to trade Pi coin, listing on major exchanges is the next big hope. Right now, you can only access Pi within the app. It's mined but not traded. But will that change soon? As the mainnet approaches, exchange listings seem more plausible. However, Pi's core team has previously held back on this due to a priority on network security, compliance, and infrastructure. And that's fair. I respect that they're playing the long game here. But as a pioneer myself, I can't deny that I'm eager to see Pi coin go mainstream. Implications of a Pi coin listing. If Pi coin does make it to exchanges, there are several big implications. Increased accessibility. The listing would give non-pioneers access to Pi coin, spreading its reach globally and promoting broader adoption. For those of us already mining, this could mean a huge shift in value as the coin's liquidity ramps up. Liquidity and market-determined value. Increased liquidity could result in a real-time valuation of Pi coin, adding a new dynamic for long-time pioneers. This could be beneficial, especially for those who've been mining Pi since the early days. But keep in mind that the market can be volatile. Enhanced credibility. A listing would signal that Pi network has met security and compliance benchmarks, boosting its legitimacy in the crypto space. This could also invite partnerships with other blockchain platforms, adding value to the ecosystem. Cross-platform compatibility. Exchange listings could enable Pi coin's use across different blockchain networks, opening up new avenues for Pi's interoperability and use cases. Technical developments to support listing. Pi network has made key technical advances to prepare for listing. From energy-efficient consensus mechanisms to enhanced security, Pi is addressing major concerns that could make it a strong candidate for exchanges. Using the Stellar Consensus Protocol is a big plus. Unlike Bitcoin's high energy consumption, Pi's mining method is sustainable and aligns well with the increasing demand for eco-friendly blockchain projects. Challenges and considerations for Pi listings. Of course, exchange listings also bring challenges. For one, Pi network needs to comply with global regulations, including KYC and AML standards, which add complexity. And let's face it, volatility is part of the crypto world. For Pi coin, maintaining stability in value may be crucial for mainstream adoption. A stablecoin variant could be one way to address this, though it's up to the core team to decide. Partnerships and dApp ecosystem expansion. Pi Network's roadmap also emphasizes partnerships with NGOs, green enterprises, and social impact organizations. These partnerships could be instrumental in setting Pi apart from other cryptos. An ecosystem of dApps focused on ethical finance or social causes could help Pi Network gain a strong foothold in a niche market that values sustainability and community impact. How Pi's mainnet could impact the crypto landscape. With the open mainnet launch, Pi Network is on the brink of becoming a fully functional blockchain. If successful, Pi coin listings could transform Pi into a mainstream crypto player, appealing to a diverse user base. Pi Network's focus on inclusivity, energy efficiency, and community-driven governance is redefining how we think about blockchain, and this launch will be a defining moment for its place in the market. That's it for today's deep dive into the Pi Network roadmap and the future of Pi coin. Whether or not we'll see Pi coin listed on exchanges remains to be seen. But one thing's certain, 2024 will be a milestone year for Pi Network. If you're excited about the future of Pi, hit that like button. Share your thoughts in the comments, and make sure you subscribe for all the latest updates. Thanks for tuning in to the Gold Rush Crypto Daily channel, and I'll see you in the next video.